Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to write bold, italic and stick through words on WhatsApp. So let's start. First open the WhatsApp app. Then open a conversation. Here you can see I have already sent messages in all three forms. Now let me show you how you can do that. We'll start with bold. First type in the star symbol. Then type in your message. Then end it with star symbol again. And you'll see that the message is turned into bold. Now send the message. And the message will send in bold fonts. Now let's move on. Now I'll show you how to write in italic in WhatsApp. First type in underscore. Then type in your message. Then underscore again. And you'll see that the font is changed to italic. Now send the message. And the message will be sent in italic. And lastly, how to write in stick through. Type in this symbol. Then your message. Then end it with that symbol. And you'll see that the font is changed to stick through. Now send the message. And the message will be sent on stick through font. And that's how you can write bold, italic and stick through words in WhatsApp. So if this video helps you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.